system that makes it a lot easier for the pilot to control and fly the aircraft. He's doing a 360-degree turns here. And hopefully we get another round of spray. Here we go. Is doing a 360-degree turn with spray. He is directly controlling the on-off of the spray booms. We are working with AgNav to provide fully integrated navigation and flow system for the spray hawk in the coming years. Is preparing for landing and will cool down engine momentarily.